You are going to love the 2020 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.